Today we discuss about alcohols, phenols and ethers, means oxygen containing compounds. At first we discuss about alcohols. इस चैप्टर में हम अल्कोहल, फिनॉल और ईथर मीन्स ऑक्सीजन युक्त यौगिक के बारे में अध्ययन करेंगे. What is alcohol? How we define alcohol? Alcohol is defined as the organic compound which is obtained by replacement of one hydrogen atom of alkane by hydroxyl group. The organic compound which is obtained by replacement of one or more than one hydrogen atom of alkane by same number of hydroxyl group known as alcohol. Means alcohols are hydroxy derivatives of alkane. When we replace hydrogen atom of alkane by hydroxyl group, then we obtain alcohol. Example, here we write methane. When one hydrogen atom of methane is replaced by one hydroxyl group, we obtain methyl chloride. When one hydrogen atom of methane is replaced by hydroxyl group, then we obtain methyl chloride or methanol. Now, secondly, we discuss classification of alcohol. Alcohols are classified on the basis of number of hydroxyl group in following three categories. Number one, monohydric alcohol, which contains only one OH group. Second, dihydric alcohol, which contains two OH group, and trihydric alcohol, which contains three hydroxyl group. Example, here we write ethane. When one hydrogen atom of ethane is replaced by OH group, then we obtain ethyl alcohol. It contains only one OH group, that's why it is known as monohydric alcohol. If two hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by two hydroxyl group, then we obtain dihydric alcohol. Three hydrogen atom of propane is replaced by three hydroxyl group, then we obtain trihydric alcohol. Here we discuss definition of alcohol. Alcohols are hydroxy derivatives of alkane. Secondly, classification of alcohol on the basis of number of hydroxyl group. Alcohols are classified into monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol and trihydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohols are further classified into three categories known as primary or 1 degree alcohol, secondary or 2 degree alcohol and tertiary or 3 degree alcohol. First one, classification of monohydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohols is classified into three categories. Number one, primary or 1 degree alcohol. Second, secondary or 2 degree alcohol. And third, tertiary or 3 degree alcohol. Here we discuss primary alcohol. Those alcohols which are in which functional group OH is directly linked with primary carbon, attached with primary carbon, called primary alcohols. Primary carbon is that carbon atom which is linked with only one carbon atom and contains two hydrogen atoms. Methyl alcohol is exceptional case in which carbon atom contains three hydrogen atoms and not linked with other carbon atom. Those alcohol in which functional group OH is linked with primary carbon known as primary or 1-degree alcohol. Now we discuss secondary alcohol or 2-degree alcohol. Organic compound in which functional group OH is linked with secondary carbon called 2-degree alcohol. Secondary carbon is that carbon atom which is linked with two other carbon atoms. Secondary carbon is that carbon atom which is linked with two other carbon atoms and contains one hydrogen atom. Now, tertiary or 3-degree alcohol. Those organic compound in which functional group OH is linked with tertiary carbon known as tertiary alcohol or 3-degree alcohol. Means tertiary carbon is that carbon atom which is linked with three other carbon atoms. So here we discuss definition of alcohol, classification of alcohol, and next classification of monohydric alcohol. Now we discuss IUPAC nomenclature of alcohol. How we write the name of alcohol in IUPAC system. International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry System. Formula, common name, IUPAC name. Here we write CH3OH. CH3 is a alkyl group which is known as methyl and OH stands for alcohol. The common name of CH3OH is methyl alcohol. In IUPAC system, we write alkanol. At first, we count number of carbon and then pronounce as alkane, and E is replaced by ol. Ol stands for OH, alcohol. Ol represents OH group. This contains only one carbon alkane is known as methane. Then we write methane, replace E by OL due to presence of OH group. The IUPAC name is methanol. Methane लिखा, इसमें से E हटाया और OH के लिए हमने लगा दिया all, methanol. Second example is C2H5OH. C2H5OH is known as grain alcohol. ये अन्न में होता है. जब हम खाना खाते हैं इसके बाद हमको नींद आती है, इसलिए इसका नाम है ग्रेन अल्कोहल. द अल्कोहल विच इज प्रेजेंट इन ग्रेन और इथाइल अल्कोहल. द IUPAC नेम इज इथेनॉल. थर्ड वन, दिस इज टर्म्ड एज ethylene glycol. The IUPAC name is, here we count number of carbon. There are two carbons termed as ethane. Numbering of carbon from here 1 2 or here 1 2, because both the carbon contains functional group. This contains two carbon, that's why we write ethane. In at number 1 carbon, OH group is present, and number 2 carbon also contains OH group. So we write ethane 1,2-diol. It is called ethane 1,2-diol. Now, in winter, we use glycerin or glycerol. सर्दी के मौसम में हम ग्लिसरीन का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। पिक्चर फिल्म में जो हीरोइन होती है, जब वो रोती है, जो आंसू होते हैं, बड़े चमकते आंसू होते हैं, वो ग्लिसरीन के होते हैं, ग्लिसरीन और ग्लिसरॉल। इन IUPAC system, it is termed as propane 1, 2, 3 because it contains 3 carbon and have 3 OH group, that is known as propane 1, 2, 3 triol. Propane 1, 2, 3 triol. This is all about IUPAC nomenclature of alcohol. In next segment, we study general method of preparation of alkane. Now, we study general method of preparation of alcohol. How alcohol is prepared? Very first, general method of preparation of alcohol. Very first, by alkaline hydrolysis of haloalkane. By alkaline hydrolysis of haloalkane. Haloalkane general formula is Rx. R is alkyl group and X is halogen atom. R is alkyl group and X is halogen atom. Haloalkane, when subjected to reacts with KOH, it is termed as alkaline hydrolysis. Hydrolysis in presence of alkali is known as alkaline hydrolysis. Rx plus KOH. K is electropositive in nature, while X is electronegative in nature. Both has affection towards each other. That's why replacement of X by K takes place. And here we obtain ROH. By alkaline hydrolysis of haloalkane or alkyl halide, we obtain alcohol as a main product. Example, ethyl bromide reacts with potassium hydroxide and formation of ethyl alcohol or ethanol takes place. This is very fast and simple method by alkaline hydrolysis of haloalkane. Number 2, by hydration of alkene.